Hi everyone, welcome to Hana Natural Tips channel. Self-care is a journey and I'm glad to join you in this journey to help you become more healthier and more beautiful every day. So if it's the first time you are here, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button below to get a notification about latest video. Today I will share you how to make your body skin smooth and glow with this amazing body scrub. Body scrub acts as cleaners and helps you to remove the skin's excess oil and dirt from the skin. Body scrub exfoliates dead and tan skin, which also help you to remove any spots.
What do you need? 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey. How we can make it? In clean bowl, take 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And mix them really well to combine all the ingredients together. Now apply this to your skin and scrub for quick 2 minutes and leave it for 10 minutes to let dry. Then rinse it off with normal water.
Aloe vera gel treats sunburn and also acts as a moisturizer. Honey is an excellent moisturizing and smoothing agent which helps you to bring bright and glow skin. Almond oil has the natural vitamins which give you a glow skin, and along with that, it keeps the skin soft and fresh for a long time. Salt and sugar acts as a natural sculptor which has strong exfoliating power. So you know how to make a natural polishing at home with the skin. So if you want, try it and let us know in the comment down below. Goodbye, see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get all beauty natural tips from us.